Hi everyone, it's Suki again. Spring is finally here and the markets are getting full with fresh, colorful vegetables, flowers. So to welcome the onset of spring, I'm going to make a nice fresh vegetable pulao. Pulao is a rice dish which is used as a side dish, as a main dish, and today we are going to make the pulao, which is a one-pot dish. And of course, like any other Indian dish, it has to have some spices to give it flavor and taste. So let's start and we'll make fresh vegetable pulao. Make sure the pan is not too hot before you add ghee, or it will burn and turn smoky. For the spices to sizzle in the ghee before adding the next ingredients. Now add onions along with the carrots. This will give enough time for the carrots to cook. Feel free to use any other spring vegetables of your choice. You can also do diced chicken with it. Wash the rice well in fresh water. Then soak it in water for 10 minutes. Drain soaking water before adding the rice to the pan. Once the rice is added, try not to stir the pot too much. Bring rice to a boil. Then turn the heat down to simmer. Cover and let the rice cook. 12 minutes is what I found is needed to cook the rice perfectly. Take the lid off and fluff the rice with the back of a ladle or fork. Cover and let it sit for 10 minutes. Garnish with cilantro and serve warm. Creamy yogurt raita goes very well with the spring pulao.